You are watching Redman Channel.
Since many are asking how to OPENLINE the globe at home Wi-Fi router ZLT-S10G, here is the answer. Watch the tutorial and make sure you follow each step carefully to make sure the procedure is successful. Before we proceed, shout out first to EZWOL and ACM Free Key. And to those who support the discovery of hacks and tricks so that we can use the full features of our modem router ZLT-S10G. Thanks guys. Let's start. First of all, you need to download this firmware to update the router firmware. We also need a file archiver to extract the downloaded file. I am using 7-zip file archiver for the procedure we will do. There is also a link in the description to the file for the firmware that you can download. I will not anymore include how to install the file archiver, since most of you guys already know how to download and install software in your computer. So go ahead and download the files needed. After you download the required files, install 7-zip file archiver, then follow these steps. Extract the downloaded file, all in one firmware ZLT-S10G. Then find this file named fw save.tar gz. It is better that before you do the procedure, insert the SIM card from another network like Smart or Dido, to make sure that your Wi-Fi router is OPENLINE. Because our routers are different, so others always ask why there is no MCC-MNC locking. Here in this procedure, depending on the model and version of your router, it can be OPENLINE, but you will not see MCC-MNC locking in the web user interface, but the Wi-Fi router is already OPENLINE. So, once you insert a different SIM card, power on your router and let's get started. Let's connect to Wi-Fi first, then once connected open browser. Type in 192.168.254.254. Log in to the router first. You can enter username and password. Use default user account or those with admin access, use admin account. Once you have logged in, you will notice that when a different network SIM is inserted in the not yet OPENLINE ZLT-S10G, you will see the status of invalid SIM. Okay, let's proceed. Click on the Firewall menu. Then under the Firewall menu, click on Firewall Backup. Remember, ensure power connection is stable and no interruption during this process. Power failure can cause your device to be unusable. Before we proceed, always make a backup of your current configuration. Click Export, then save the file. Click on Browse. Then locate the file you have downloaded. Select the file fw save.tar gz. Then click Open. Double-check the file. Then click Update. The device will then start updating. It may take some time to finish the process. Just be patient and wait. Now we have updated the device and we're done. If the Redman logo does not appear, restart your device or restore to factory setting. That's all, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you learn from my videos. Thank you.